Today, we are going to start the first lecture on economics. I have been telling you about the lectures for some time but could not start due to some domestic engagements. Now, I will make sure you don't have to wait for the lecture. Let's get started. Our first lecture is on economics basics. Today we look at the definition of economics in detail.
Economics is the study of how people choose to use resources. These resources can include time, money, labor, land, and even natural resources. Economics helps us understand how these resources are allocated to satisfy human wants and needs. It means, economics is about how people decide to use resources like time, money, and labor to meet their needs. Let me explain with an example. Imagine, you have $10 to spend. You can either buy a book, or go to a movie. If you choose the book, you are using your money and time for knowledge, and if you choose the movie, you are using them for entertainment. Now, economics helps us understand why you make these choices, and how these choices impact overall resource allocation in society. Economics is a complex and multifaceted discipline that explores how scarce resources are allocated to meet the endless needs and wants of individuals, businesses, and societies. Economics looks at how we use limited resources to meet our endless wants and needs. Let's understand this through the example. Think of your day. You have a limited amount of time, as you have 24 hours to spend in a day, but many things you want to do, like study, play, sleep, and hang out with your friends. Now, you have to decide how to spend your all the time to get the most out of it. On the other side, businesses and societies do the same with their resources like money, land, and labor. And economics helps us understand these decisions and their impacts. By examining production, distribution, and consumption, and analyzing decision-making processes, economics seeks to optimize resource use and maximize overall utility and welfare. It means, in economics, we look at how we produce, distribute, and consume our resources. And our aim is to make the best use of the resources for everyone's benefit, and we also look at how we make decisions to get the most benefit from these resources. Let's understand with the help of an example. Think about making a pizza. First of all, a pizzeria have some money and make decision to produce pizza by using dough, cheese, and topping. This is called the production of pizza. In the next process, the pizzeria sells pizza at the shop or delivers it to your home. This is called distribution of pizza. And in the next step, you and your friends have some money and make decision to buy and eat the pizza at home. This is called consumption of pizza. Economics studies these steps to figure out the best way to use resources, like ingredients, labor and time, to make and deliver pizza efficiently. So, everyone gets delicious pizza, without wasting resources. This way, the pizzeria can make more money, and you get tasty food, and everyone will be happy. Economics is all about making smart choices. It's about understanding the best way to use our limited resources, to satisfy as many of our endless wants and needs as possible. Whether it's an individual deciding how to spend their paycheck, a company planning its next product, or a government figuring out how to improve the economy, economics helps guide these decisions to make the most out of what we have. In the next lecture, we will study about the economic problem. Like, subscribe and share for the upcoming lectures. See you. Thank you.